Calle from Calle's Redesigns. I am part of the Pinecone creative team. Today we are going to discuss creating this beautiful metallic embossed finish. Using the embossing medium, I am creating this faux textured finish. Embossing medium is a smooth acrylic plaster designed to create a raised plaster look. It can be used to create raised stencils. It can also be used to fill holes and cracks. Once dry, I apply our 2-in-1 primer. Now I'm ready for paint. Next, I applied 2 coats of our new Paint Couture Chalk Paint line. This is pitch black. It is gorgeous. One of my favorite colors is called Pinecone. It is the perfect rusty tone when creating those rust patina looks. Here I am sponging with a damp sponge and sometimes adding a mist of water. I am applying a sponged effect. This I will also follow up with our metallics. Repeating this process, I will use our Venetian Bronze Metallic Paint and Bronze Metallic Paint. Finishing step, Extreme Guard Semi-Gloss Topcoat for a perfect durable finish. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial with Calle's Redesigns. Thank you.